One can live without food for 3 weeks. One can live without water for 3 days. But one cannot live without oxygen for more than 3 minutes. Every breath you take contains millions of pollutants and contaminants. You don't want to put your loved ones, customers, or employees' health at risk, do you? There's pollution everywhere. Vehicle emissions, burning of fossil fuels, industrial emissions, open burning of garbage wastes, and the list goes on. WHO data suggests that 9 out of 10 people are breathing stale air, which is unsafe for human beings. So, now you think you're safe indoors? Right? Think again. Indoor air has 2 to 5% less oxygen levels and 5 to 10 times more polluted than outside air. Thinking that this is another marketing gimmick? Your carpets can release chemicals from its vinyl backing. Paints are full of volatile organic compounds, VOCs. Some of these VOCs are harmful carcinogens. Harmful gases from gas stoves, non-stick pans, vents, etc. of your kitchen. And the worst part is air conditioners cannot provide ventilation. All of these can contribute to various acute respiratory problems, allergies, and diseases. They can cause infections to the airway pipe with diseases like bronchitis, asthma, whooping cough, cold, and many more. It may also eventually damage the lungs, liver, heart, and even the central nervous system. Viona, a proud made-in-India company, has partnered with Urbox, a revolutionary first-of-its-kind product, AI-powered smart oxygen generator. It comes in 3 models to suit various needs according to your spaces. Urbox Eco comes with 2 air dispensers and 1 indoor unit, AQI. Urbox Premium comes with 4 air dispensers and 1 indoor unit, AQI. Urbox Booster, devices on order for large space and corporate solutions. It maintains adequate levels of oxygen in the air and helps you get forest fresh air indoors. Here's how it works. The purifying unit placed outside your home captures the natural air and filters out the pollutants and separates oxygen from it. With a dispensing unit, that oxygen will be transferred to your indoors with an accurate and point-precise capability. And the best part is, you can monitor and control all of this on your iOS and Android mobile phones with an exclusive application. You can use this at residences, restaurants, saloons, shopping malls, theaters, large offices to ensure a safe, secure, and oxygen-rich experience. Not everyone can travel everywhere to get pure oxygen, but you can afford Urbox to get forest freshness indoor, which keeps you healthy at all times. It's a smart, sensible oxygen generator with smart artificial intelligence and machine learning, which means it is self-operating without much intervention. Safeguard your family, friends, employees, and customers from these invisible harmful pollutants and make sure that they breathe the purest air possible. Breathe oxygen-rich air. Breathe healthy, live healthy. Viona presents you Urbox. Smart, sensible oxygen generator. Proudly made in India. Contact us today to get one.